beans for convenience and for speed, this is actually coconut milk. I'm giving you a demonstration. You can buy canned beans, but boiling them puts you in control over flavor and over sodium. It does. Now, canned foods are able to stay on the shelves forever because of additives and sodium. And if you are someone with high blood pressure, like millions of Americans, 120 to be exact, okay, canned foods are not your friends. Processed food is not your friend. Now, when it comes to boiling beans, the rule of thumb is if they were pre-soaked like these were overnight, okay, you're gonna cook them for about 45 minutes. But if they're coming straight out of the bag, okay, into your pot, you want to cook them for at least an hour, okay, and you're going to add in water, and you're going to, test for doneness from time to time. All right, so this is the beauty about soaking your beans, because it takes less time, and they also almost double in size during the soaking. So this is all I'm going to do. Right, my water's ready to go, and that's it. I'm boiling some beans. In his book Kitchen Confidential once said that cooking is a craft. It is. It's a very carefully planned craft. I need some ginger, garlic, and shallot. Now, when you are buying ginger, you want to go for the very firm and unwrinkled roots, and you always want to store them inside a plastic bag. Yeah? Okay? All right, so you want to go ahead and peel it off. I need my little knife here. Now, for this recipe, or any of my recipes, powdered ginger is never ever an option, okay? Fresh is golden. Okay, we are mincing. That's our eggplant. My Vinny, shake my Vinny. All right. Dough scraper. Ginger. Can you imagine? Ginger, black beans, and eggplants. A match made in heaven. Now, in Egypt, garlic has been used to deal with things like heart problems, skin disease, and tumors. And according to my research, the University of Missouri School of Medicine says that garlic protects the brain against disease and aging. So y'all, food really is medicine. Okay. How to turn garlic into a paste? Well, with your knife, lay flat, just drag. Let me slow it down for you. You see this? Okay. Bring it closer to you, actually. And then just, you're dragging. See, all these gadgets that we see on the market today, that one chef knife can do it all if you just practice, yeah? Let's do it one more time. I lied, one more time. It is Saturday night and I am meal prepping before I head out to a party, graduation party. One of my Haitian friends got his PhD. Mwah! Congratulations, my love. All right, that's it. On to the shallot. I have my makeup already done, and all I have to do is change. Shallots, they are very popular in France, and they were introduced to us Haitians during slavery. And today, we actually prefer shallots over many other onions because of their delicate flavor that they add to many dishes. So all we're gonna do is, by the way, you notice here the end right here keeps it together, okay? And we're just gonna slice it in half, just like this, and then just go down with your knife, yeah? When I was in the Navy, the ship was rocking, and I cut the tip of my finger off, and I have never forgotten it. So when it comes to cutting onions and shallots, I don't go for speed, okay? I like to be precise and and I want to keep all of my fingers. Thank you very much. That was pretty traumatizing. All right, that's all we need. About half a shallot, small diced. All right, we are approaching near the end of our prepping session. Now, I need a dipping sauce for our steamed fish tomorrow. And so what we're gonna do is we're going to put together 1 chopped chili pepper, okay? And I need 2 tablespoons of, there it is, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Okay. Ça fait 1. Et ça fait 2, minus the seeds. A little bit more. Yeah. And then what else? We need about 2 garlic cloves, minced from earlier. This is 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar. Right? We stir until it's dissolved, and it's gonna go on top of our steamed fish tomorrow. Oh mon Dieu. Now, my advice to you home cooks is do not ever don't prep and then cook the same day. It is too much, okay? Prep your stuff the day before and then cook the next day. We're going to a party, we're going to a party, we're going to a party. Do you like it? Do you like it? All right, let me put the earring on. Oh God, I'll clean up later, y'all. Do you like the skirt? When I first saw it, I thought about Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City. Do you remember that fufu, that tutu she wore on in season 1? All right, this is the life of the single girl, the single chef. Oh goodness. Listen, life is too short to be boring, okay? I'm going to a Haitian party and to celebrate my friend, and I'll see you later. Bye.